morning, and you are a great die hard of blessing. Let me see your hand up. The anointing you brought will not go with you.
Let your word pierce into the heart of man.
Let your presence fill the place. You are a minister of light. You are a light carrier. You have the light of God in you.